play with. More than a man takes dedication. More than a man is an endless job. Good for humanity, y'all deserve some props. Everybody knows the sound is clear. Everybody knows they hear the truth. Everybody knows the sound is clear. Everybody knows they hear the truth. More than a man, add some civility. More than a man, builds your integrity. More than a man, brings dependability to family.
Hello everyone, I'm Richard Joseph Bias, and in my videos, what I'm trying to do is help parents, mothers, and fathers with raising their son into a great man. So the videos are all geared towards raising that young man from adolescence all the way to manhood, college, and beyond. So hopefully you'll like the videos, just subscribe to the channel, and help us communicate what is necessary in this world to create a young man into a great man. Looking forward to hearing from you. Looking forward to see you subscribe to my channel. And thank you. Learn for yourself. One of the easiest things is to let other people do the work. You're just able to see the results without any effort or wasted personal energy. There is no true understanding of the subject or concept, only a superficial level of knowledge. This can enable you to speak with limited informational knowledge and no real individual thought, which leads you having an incomplete conversation about the subject. Superficial, marked by lack of attention or consideration or forethought or thoroughness. There are times when having a need to know a subject quickly is reasonable. Having a basic knowledge of certain things helps solve bigger things. But having a full understanding will provide a deeper grasp of what's being discussed. Every moment can have a learning one and give a better understanding about life. The plain truth is that reading, research, and discovery new things are free and effortless. Ladies, I want you to help me create a world of great men. Buy my book and give it to your man. He will thank you, and your son will thank you too. Self-discovery, act or process of gaining knowledge or understanding. The best feeling anyone can have is when you complete or accomplish something that you've worked hard to finish. It's something that no one can take away from you once it's done. That accomplishment will stay with you your entire life. When you increase your education level or knowledge level of different subjects, your confidence and self-worth will multiply. Everyone should know their worth and go through life demanding that level of respect or benefit. Accomplishment, something notable that you've done. So let's go out here and make some noise and get it. Hello again. Thanks for watching the video. See you on the next one.
Out of here, more than a man is nothing to play with. More than a man takes dedication. More than a man is an endless job. Good for humanity, y'all deserve some props. Everybody knows the sound is clear. Everybody knows they hear the truth. Everybody knows the sound is clear. Everybody knows they hear the truth. More than a man, add some civility. More than a man, builds your integrity. More than a man, brings dependability to family. And his words is bonds will stand with thee.